After several months, there was another sign of a relative return to normalcy in Kashmir. For 2 consecutive days, separatists suspended their strike, which means that shops reopened and mobile internet services were partly restored, but the cost to common citizens has been huge. The tourism industry has been devastated and thousands are out of a job.
Markets in Srinagar buzzing after 132 days of shutdown in the valley. As separatists suspended their strike for 2 days, Raja Munib is back at his shop counting losses that he suffered during the last 4 months. His hotel and a garment shop in the heart of Srinagar was shut and his 15 employees lost their jobs.
These losses are basically because we had a huge humanitarian crisis and humanitarian losses which happened in the valley, which is unprecedented. You know, thousands of boys injured, thousands have been arrested. But it's a welcome respite. People are back to their, limping back towards normalcy.
Businesses suffered heavy losses. Schools remained shut due to the unrest, during which 90 people died and over 12,000 were injured. Coincidentally, after separatists reviewed their shutdown calendar, the government lifted the ban on mobile internet services, the longest internet blockade that has also affected business in Kashmir.
करीबन कोई 16,000 करोड़ के करीब का नुकसान हुआ है, जिसमें टूरिज्म, ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्री का नुकसान हुआ है. तो ये बहुत मुश्किल है कहना कि ये कैसे हम कूप अप करेंगे. आगे विंटर्स आ रहे हैं, हार्श विंटर्स आ रहे हैं, तो उसमें मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कहीं पे भी हम कुछ ऐसा देख पाएंगे कि कोई बिजनेस की कोई भी रास्ता लग रहा है कि हम कहीं पे ऐसा कुछ कर पाएं कि हम आपको बता पाएंगे हम कितनी देर में ये कुछ सारा ठीक कर पाएंगे.
Business organizations say that around 30,000 people engaged in tourism and trade have lost their jobs due to the unrest.
It was the longest spell of strike in Kashmir's living memory. After heavy human and economic losses during 132 days of unrest, life has finally returned to normal today. But it will take a long time to heal the wounds. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, NDTV.